Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make goo cheesecake. First, let's create the perfect foundation. Combine 1 1/2 cups of finely crushed graham crackers with 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until they are well combined. Then, press this mixture firmly and evenly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Bake the crust for exactly 8 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit to set it. This simple step ensures a delicious, sturdy base for your cheesecake.
Once you've found the language selection, you'll see a list of available languages. Simply choose the one you prefer. After making your selection, the system will usually ask you to confirm. Confirm your choice, and the display will update almost immediately to the new language. It's a quick and easy way to personalize your driving experience. If you encounter any issues, always refer to your Honda Insight's owner's manual for model-specific instructions. Sometimes, a system restart might be necessary for the changes to fully take effect. For safety, always make sure your vehicle is in park before attempting to adjust any settings. This ensures a smooth and secure process. Congratulations! Your Honda Insight is now set to your preferred language, making your driving experience even more comfortable and intuitive. This simple customization can make a big difference in how you interact with your vehicle's features. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.